So his first yellowfin is eating the heart, dude.
You want chamoy? You want some chamoy? Hey, put some chamoy there.
He ganks with it, bro. No flavors needed.
Yeah, put some chamoy on that bitch. Yeah.
You know what that means? Alright guys, here we're back here at the Vendetta. We're the early squad. We thought we're the first ones, me, Miss P, and Kid P, but Salim is here first. No, let me correct that. Salimits, baby. And Kidu Pai is here. I just saw him taking a smoke break up there, but just like a ninja, man, disappeared. So we're back at it again. Today's a Saturday morning, and man, I'm hoping today we get on some good bite, man. I'm still hurting from the last trip, but you know what's a new trip, guys? A new trip. Like always, hang tight. And oh yeah, and it's my birthday month, October, and October is also known as Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and this whole month I'll be fishing with my pink buff out of respect for or awareness for breast cancer. So yes, fish pink, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and yes, hang tight, guys, and like always, man, wish us luck, guys. Ooh, Salim, baby! Woo!
We back once again.
On the what? Where are we on?
On the Vendetta, bro. Look, this is Shane right here. This is our famous deckhand, Shane.
Oh man,
You know,
he's a new favorite deckhand right here.
yeah, boy.
Oh yeah, boy.
Out here. He was here on the Marlin, yes, he was. He was here on the limits of Yellowfin.
Oh yes. Come on, don't be a pain in the butt. Where? Excuse me. Let me go where the ball's at. Going out. Heads up.
Oh, shit.
You got chase?
He's getting chased on right now. Look, he's going. Oh, he's going.
Come on, baby. You hooked it.
Follow your line.
Okay, you hooked up. Oh no. Woo! She's hooked up. Go. Mommy, stay. Go to the right. In front of your line.
Right now, dude.
Oh. Excuse me, sir.
Boils in the corner.
June, pay attention to the thing, June. Going out. Hey, what's up, guys? Going out.
Oh, they're eating everything in the corner. Deep boil.
Oh, you got chase.
Hey, change your bait, June.
June, 1, 2, 3, I'm on. Chicken pop, baby. Hooked up. Woo! He's running. Oh.
Come on, Dad.
Oh, boy.
Corner. That's the bait, the corner.
Whoa, baby. Come on. Oh, I came up. Damn it. What the heck happened? It didn't get hooked. Whoop.
That's you right there, Devo?
And more boy. Damn it.
That looked like a good one too, Dad.
Alright, heads up, going out. June, watch out. June, you run. Hi. Yeah. Oh, getting chase. Come on.
Right now, I'm on 15, bro.
On 15? Oh, the baby! Woo! Yeah, baby, come on. Hey, watch. Salim is hooked up, baby. Woo!
I told you. Hell yeah, that's awesome, dude.
Ooh, I'm about to get spooled out, dude. Come here, baby. Come on, baby.
Who's that deep color?
Good brother. Woo! He's running. Oh, come on, he's not tired yet. Come on, baby. How you doing, man? Are you doing good? All right. Living life. Under you, brother.
Is that where we're catching tuna?
Yes, sir.
That's a tuna right there.
Not the canned ones, though, right?
No, that's the kind you eat raw. Oh, we're on the bow.
Excuse me, brother. Let's guy won't want to stay in one spot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Well, ooh. He's still not tired.
You got him on the bait basket.
Oh yes. Oh.
Doesn't fall now.
Goodie pie, I'm going your way. Let's go back this way again. This guy don't want to give up.
Come on this side of the bow.
Ooh, ooh, it's a yeller. Yeller, baby. Woo, 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 woo.
Got him.
Thanks, baby.
Nice
Thank you, buddy. Thank you, thank you. I farmed one, landed one. So 1 for 2, guys. 1 for 2. Bleedy, bleedy, bleedy.
Shit, bro. Like, you're still good.
Yeah, baby. Woo! Ooh. All right, who has pliers here that I could borrow? June, you got one yet, June? You got one yet? Oh, it's right here. Plier, where's the plier here?
Right behind that cooler, dude.
Ooh. Thank you, thank you.
Boy, back in the corner here.
All right, man.
Trying to stick with the...
All right, guys, my first tuna on my EJ right here. Oh yes, oh yes. Let me push this little sucker in here. Yeah, it's a nice size. Oh yeah.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Jig Jig Pop, baby. Remember that name? Oh, came on. Oh no, it's not off. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm gonna get spooled out, I think.
Under?
No, I'm good. You good, brother. You good, you good. Oh, blow up! Blow up!
Fine.
Under you, brother. Come on, he's going towards me, he's going towards me. Joan! Joan, you want this, Joan? Come here, Joan! Joan! You got one? You want my fish, Joan? I got one. You want it or not?
No, he don't want yours.
Mommy, right up. Jig, jig, pile, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's going towards me, he's going towards me. Hey, run up, Patrick. Cool. I wanna know where you at. Hey, brother, over. Woo-hoo. Yeah, haha. Come on.
My boy. Good shit.
Oh,
yeah.
It's a limit. Jig, same rail. Mrs. P. Oh yeah. On the bass rod, on my Curado EJ, paired with my Shimano Terez. Oh yeah, baby.
Get him, get pal.
Woo! Open me, brother, open me. Oh yes. See, just communicate, it's all good.
Yeah, exactly. Catch that motherfucker back out there.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Thank you, brother. It's getting tired. Tired tuna.
Oh, follow your line.
Hey, Jeff, rod up, Jeff.
Go.
Oh, wait.
Dude, that's sick. Pretty sick. I just seen him tell his first cast, too. Is it good? Yeah.
Oh, the baseball rig, huh? Oh, shit. Who you got the rig from, dude? Who you got it from?
It's all fouled up. Oh, it was fouled up. Never mind. That's fucking rad, dude.
Huh?
You want?
No, I'm not.
Oh.
June, you know what it's doing? June, you want it? Okay.
Oh,
Like a true angler.
I love it, Daddy.
Okay, going this way. I was trying to be lazy, but he wanna steer and drive me around. Color, rod up. Rod up, baby. I'm right here, baby. I'm right here, baby. Excuse mommy, rod up, mommy. Rod up, guys. I'm in one full circle, dude. What the hazy?
Skipjack.
Is it?
Oh, it's Skipjack. That happened to me last year.
Oh, another full turn around the boat. What the heck?
Oh, trying to get him down.
Right here, dude. Oh yeah, he's there. Oh crap, I'm caught. I'm caught.
Nice.
Oh. Here you go.
Beautiful. Damn.
Once again, Shane with the gap job, baby. I love it. I love it.
Always
Thank you, sir. Ooh, cool. He didn't die on me.
Oh, yeah, you caught it too? Nice. Oiled in the corner again.
We got a bleeder. Bleeding from the mouth. A nice size skipjack right here. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, where's the stupid hook at?
So where did we put him after ketchup?
Oh, in there.
Oh, just right in there?
Yes, sir.
He got bit again?
Yeah, he's on.
Holy shit. That thing fucking worked.
Oh. That's funny.
You gave that to him?
He saw it from my video and he bought it. Hey, Nick, you got a plier, brother? It's right there. They're hitting lures, man. Touch some jig time, baby.
I wonder if I throw a lucky crab.
Did you? You son of a biscuit. Yeah.
That's a big one.
Get him, Nathan. That is live action, buddy. Hey, smile for the camera. Woo!
Sick.
Tuna? Yeah.
It's a merman.
Go ahead and go around the corner.
Wow. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Once again, guys, on the live target bait ball rig right there. Jig Pow approves.
Okay, follow.
June, you guys just keep casting or skunk trying, right? That's the motto. Come on, cutie pie, get it.
Girl, man. Fucking mackerel.
Get him, baby. Get him.
I smell chicken. Oh, right there. Oh, I got fight. Fish on! Fish on!
You got it going, Joe?
Yeah. Woo!
Royal got this. Look at all the fish on the starboard bow.
Whoa!
Look at them all.
That's right, we got wraps on the rod.
I know.
Line, you're not full tight.
Oh, I caught a skipjack all the way. No.
A lot of fish were coming up on the starboard here.
Hey, rod bed, buddy. Rod bed, boy. Take your time, okay? Rod ready.
The heck? This is shaking.
Hey, take your time. Go, brother.
Oh, Yellowfin.
Is that June? That ain't June.
Going out.
Same size as June.
Boy, you got it.
Hey, stop calling me short. I'm an average size.
Oh yeah, June, get him, boy. Take your time. Rod bend, all right?
He keeps falling.
Get him, boy. Take your time. Go, pull up the crank. What's up, boy? That's a boy.
Oh, boy, look at all the fish.
Take your time, G. Take your time.
He keeps falling.
Go.
Let him run if he wants to run.
He'll get tired eventually. Oh, there goes my bait. Bang to the sky. The sky high.
Oh, color.
This So far, you got. Oh, oh, snag to the tail. Hey, snag to. Hey, take your time, boy.
I think he came on snack now.
Take your time, boy. Oh, there goes my bait. Into the sky. Sky high. It's so far. You got. Oh, oh, he snagged to the tail. Hey, snag to. Hey, take your time, boy.
I think he came on snack now. Yellowfin, take your time, buddy.
Finally, third yellowfin in my life.
Dude, all your fish, drop that.
Hello.
Rod took away from the boat. There we go. Gonna do a little circle.
Hey, boat boy. Yeah!
Let's
the whole
go.
Bam Bam got one, boy.
Whole fam damn family picture time.
Yeah. Dead right here. Dude, give me that. Hey, give me fish that. Ooh.
Got him.
Oh, God. Oh! Out of the water, Tuna.
God.
Nice one.
Thank you.
Your hook is gone. Oh, got it. Your hook appeared. There you go, Tuna. Nice one.
Thank you.
Oh, shit! Pepe! Oh, look at all the fish right here. Right here in the corner. Look at them all.
Oh, dude.
We're marking a lot of fish. I know. It just came on us here. It's in the corner. Hey, right there. Oh, they're all behind us.
Joe, get in the water, Joe. What you doing at?
Oh, baby!
What the hell? Dang it, dang it. Hell yeah.
Walking down, walking down.
Oh man, hell yeah. Baby hooked up. Baby, take your time, baby, take your time. Hey, yo. Yo, oh, I'm sorry. Get him, baby, take your time. Yes.
Hey, come.
Go. Oh, I'm on.
Oh, all your fish, guys.
Yo, Rod. Hey, yo, who's this? Oh, crap. Go, I'll follow you. Wait. There. Hey, guys, follow you first. This way. Go left. Who's this? Hey, go this right. Woo! Let him run, Jill. Let him run. Water. Wait. Keep him in the water. Color. Don't bounce it. Don't bounce it. Wait. Just wait. Take your time, Miss P. Take your time. There we got the fish.
There's not much else going on.
Take your time, baby. Take your time. Oh, boil.
Boil's ready. Dude, that looks like a foam run. Oh, thank you, Otto.
Go right. Follow your fish. Stay in front of it. Talk to people. Whew, come back my way. Get him, baby. Oh, keep him underwater.
It's gonna be a very hard one to get. 1 pound. Nope.
Oh. Dang. Hey, take your time. Yeah, he's getting tired. Just take your time, baby. Take your time.
God, every time I want to stick it runs. Oh, no. Flying skipper.
Woo! Skippy.
A very hard skipjack.
Yeah. This P right here, guys, got something nice, little Skippy. You lip him, grab the tail. You try to lip him. Go. Hey, get down to, throw in there. Up next to the Fisherman 3, I believe they are on a school that's biting, hopefully, give my personal limits, that's what I want. Woo, Kid P hooked up, baby. Making daddy proud. Get him. Woo. Get him, boy. Get him. Back, go, go, go. Walk to your right, walk to your right. Follow your fish. Follow your fish. Oh, color. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. KP right here, hooked up, making me happy.
Oh yeah.
Say under, boy. Communicate, communicate. What's up, brother? Woo, get him. Get him. Get him. Kid pow pow. Ooh. Get him, boy. Woo, 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 woo. Oh.
Hello.
Get him, boy.
Hello.
They heard you. They heard you.
No, it's the right kind.
Open?
Oh, yes, big scope.
It's a merman. Woo, with that nice yellow color I see right there. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Someone bit on the bow?
Looking nervous, dog.
Yeah, they lost it. Oh.
Looking nervous, little pal.
Take your time, boy. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Go, go, go. He ain't pulling drag. It's like a replay from last time I was here with him. Took my setup and took all my fish.
That's a nice setup you guys doing.
Shut up.
I like how he's ignoring you guys. Shut up.
He's very focused. Concentrate like a jug of orange juice. Ooh, ooh, that nice color there, boy.
Gold.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah! Headshot! Headshot! Headshot!
Alright. Right there, King. Good job, bud.
Here, give 5, Gene. Hey, hold. June.
Nice shot.
Hey, hold the tail, Gene. Here. Quick picture. Hey, grab the tail, quick.
Wind them up real quick here, guys.
Here, Gene, here.
Yeah, turn around so you can see the jig.
Yeah, turn around, Gene, so it's the other side. There. Oh, yeah. And hold the rod, too. Hold the rod forward with the other hand. Come on.
I can't. This dude's heavy.
Okay, 1, 2.
Same jig I was using half the day.
Hell yeah, boy. Really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, boy.
Nice.
They call me Kid Pow Pow. Remember that. Hook up.
Word.
Get it. Come on, hook go.
This guy is bit.
Are they both fit?
Oh, it's him. That's Sal. Oh no! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Woo, baby! Come to daddy! Come to daddy! Oh! Whoa! Hell yeah! Hey, salute, baby! Whoa! Oh crap!
What you got, J pal?
Oh, I don't know. A merman? Hopefully. Off the pink Megabait, baby. Fish pink.
Pig mask?
Yes, sir. Woo! Get it, girl. Get it, girl. I got you right here. Smile for the camera. Yee!
Now watch out.
Watch out. I'm fighting a fish. You watch out,
Yeah,
boy.
dog.
I'm sorry.
What the hell? Whoa,
Woo.
it's on the surface.
Okay. Come on, baby. Oh.
What happened? Oh, bro.
Take your time.
Lost it.
There you go.
Oh.
There you go. Oh, hell yeah. Thanks, brother.
Yeah, dog.
Yes.
Drop this one, go get it.
I got it, dude. I got it. Yeah, baby. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, the pink Megabait, baby.
Watch out.
Thank you, Poseidon, for answering my prayers. One more fish. Oh, blood all over my leg. Get it. Smile for the camera, boy. Smile for the camera. Yeah. Oh, go over you. I'm sorry, guys. I have to follow. Yo. Let him through, guys. Let him through. Get him, baby.
far down.
Ooh, let me go to your right. Oh, and avoid hooking your line up by accident. By accident. Move to your right, move to your right, move to your right, move to your right. Yeah, yeah. Look, June, I made that blood trail right here. See that, guys? I made that trail right there. You gonna follow June? Hey.
I got hit 2 times.
Oh! Oh God! I saw it, June. You recording? Are you recording, June? Yeah! Woo! I saw that, dude. Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
Let him run, sweetheart.
Get him! Get him! On you! On you! Hell yeah! Get it, boy! Get him! Oh, oh! Here you go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah! Brother, hey, put it on. I'm gonna see where you at. Where you at? We're good. Mommy hooked up? Hell yeah! Mommy, don't jerk so hard!
Is she hooked up?
Yeah, boy! Sounded big!
Oh, no way! Look at those small skipjack.
There's a lot of energy, huh?
There's jack slides on them. Just headed that far out. Yeah, just headed that one out.
Oh, here you go. It's going back up, it's going back up.
I think you got one of those big yellowfin. Keep working them.
Oh, yeah. Take your time, brother. Take your time. Oh, man. When he sees that gap, though, he trips out, huh? Oh, man. Right in front of our face.
Boyo!
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Oh, he jumped. He jumped. Oh, my God. I hate
Here.
these skipjack so much.
Oh, 3 strikes in a row, Shane.
I'm out.
No, I'm playing. Don't go nowhere.
I'm fired.
Don't go nowhere. I'm just playing.
Service? Keep working him in.
Okay, he's going back up. Here you go.
Maybe I can actually go.
Oh, fuck. It's under the boat.
I think we got one of those big ones on Alexa 300.
There you go. Woo, man. Still kicking my ass. Hell yeah, another one.
That's why they're hard to get after that.
There, mommy. Look at this mommy right here. Take your time, mommy. This might be a big one. Just getting tired. Whew. Hey, take your time. You must snap the knot, dude. Ooh.
Slow pulls up, and then as you're going down, just nice and smooth. Right.
Steady but surely, alright? Look at this.
Spots again, guys.
Woo! Damn, it's staying one still?
Yeah.
Oh shit! Yeah, oh, man. I would want to record you all the time, but I'm gonna catch fish too. Get him, boy. Hey, get him, girl.
I got you something.
Oh, go under. Under him. Oh, under you. Go under me.
Over you. Ah!
Woohoo!
Oh, she took that big I see you! You can't see. That's a fucking big one. Right in the road.
Oh shit! Hey, Nick, open the level.
Oh, that's a big motherfucker, dude.
Woohoo! Dang! Oh, hold on, mommy. Wait, mommy, underwater. Keep underwater. Keep him underwater.
Grab the scooper.
Oh my goodness, a big one. It's a big one, mommy. Take your time. Hey. Mommy, keep it underwater, mommy. Let's go fight fish. Woo! Dang. Go fight fish. Go left. And crank. I still following it.
Going out.
Good. Dang, it's a big mother mofo, dude.
Big motherfucker!
Mommy got a big one.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Sal, you close?
Hey. Woo! Hell yeah! Hell yeah, mommy! Hell yeah! Woo! Hell yeah!
We're about the same size, huh?
Woohoo!
Oh, nice one, Tuna.
Mommy, hold up, but oh yeah.
Nice one.
Mommy, hold it down, mommy. Hold it towards the camera, quick. Mommy.
Go put it in.
Look at this, mommy. Hey, Miss P right here, dude. It's a big one. Let's scratch that so we know it's yours. Is it still fighting it? Hey, I got more memory. All right, guys. New memory card. I'm with the cactus action right here, boy.
Nice. That's the 5th one he pulled out. I'm actually on somebody's GoPro for this.
Oh yeah. We're back on live footage, guys. Got me a memory card. That's... Yes. Get him, boy. Hey, go back that way towards that boat. Here you go. Let's get a back view right here. Did it come off? Did it come off?
Oh, no way!
No! No way! Fuck! Anna, Jeff.
Hi.
Jeff, please.
Yeah.
Kid P right here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at this beautiful fish
And
right
look at the eyes. They're different. Some are big. Most of them are big, and some are small.
there. Oh. Dang. The ladies caught the biggest yellowfin today, dude. So one of those big ones is Shua's, one of the big ones hers. Yes. June, let it be, let it be. Oh, yeah, boy.
Come scoot over so it doesn't get hit.
Hey, Pat, kitty pie, move. Bless the fish. Alright guys, so we pretty much call it a day. We're heading back to the docks. We've got another like 30 minutes or so until we get back. I'm here in the wheelhouse with Captain Nick, Jeff, KP right here. John is right here also, man. He caught up a nice big yellowfin, but it's the one that got away. But that was still some good live action though, dude. So as far as for the day, guys, it was a good bite at the end. But throughout the day we find schools, catch 1 or 2. But the last half of the day was good, really good. Alright man, so hey, thank you for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe for new viewers. So next time guys, get out there man, get your lines wet, get positive.